Good day everyone, welcome. In this video I'm showing you how to fix MetaTrader 5 not enough money problem. So if you have this issue that shows up in the app or on your website, you guys just need to go to the trade tab and then see how much money you have. Because obviously if it tells us that we don't have enough money, so that's the issue. So you don't have enough balance to be able to perform the trades, to buy something, right? So you just pretty much fix this very easily by topping up your balance in here on MetaTrader. Once again, you go to trade. On the top right, if you're on the app, you press on the plus icon. And in here, as you can see, on the bottom right now, we have the buy by market. And this way you can just add funds to your account and then you can start trading or doing whatever you wish. And of course, that arrow will go away. So just make sure that you have sufficient balance, and then the app and the service should be allowing you to perform trades perfectly fine with no issues. Guys, enjoy. If this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe. And of course, see you in the next